these things. Take care of this. All right. Good evening, people. Namaste. Like you have read in the description of the live video that I have given, that you have to be a part of the solution and not a part of the problem. The reason that around 6 years ago, when I had gone to a very successful industrialist businessman's office, I wanted to seek some work from him. And on the cabin door, it was written that if you have a solution, enter this cabin or else take a right. And to the right was their HR and the grievance redressal cell. So he said, if you have a solution to any of the problems, you come inside the cabin, or else for a problem, you can go on the right side. The reason I am telling you all these things today is that you all have already been seeing a lot of posts which speak about garbage disposed in the city area in front of the schools and which causes a stink on the roadsides. आता तुम्हाला वाटेल की All About Belgaum is a media channel. They are supposed to give us news. Why is All About Belgaum getting into nature saving, or why is Uday sir trying to be an environmentalist? So by birth, aren't we all environmentalists? Isn't it everybody's duty to take care of nature? So let me start with a very small experience which I have seen and which I have experienced. So 2 years ago in my colony, there was a hustle bustle and there was a lot of commotion in one of my neighbor's house. When I went to their house and asked them ki kai chal hai, they said ki there was a garbage bag, and when that domestic help or the maid of the house, whom we call Kaam Wali Bai, when the domestic help was carrying the garbage, the owner of the house said that kanatli firki meyat nahi hai. So she had worn an earring, I believe, and take firki, she said the button, a very small firki of 2 grams, invisible to the naked eye almost, a very small one in this big heap of garbage. So I told them that empty the entire bag and let us search for that ring, because it costs around 10,000 rupees, that small gold thing. When they emptied the entire bag, there were blood-laden sanitary pads, there was a diaper which was filled with dirt, there was a leftover pizza from the previous night, there were fruit peels, there were needles, there was a broken glass, and right at the bottom, when they searched for 45 minutes, they found that small little firki. And after that, I realized that if they had segregated this waste, if they had kept the dry waste separate and the wet waste separate, it would have been easier for them to search that ring. Now, this is not about the ring. This is about how we handle our garbage, how we don't take responsibility of our own trash. Before I begin with the demonstration, I would like to clarify one more thing. All About Belgaum has more than 2 lakh followers. Some of them stay outside Belgaum, some of them stay outside Karnataka, some of them stay outside India. There are few followers of All About Belgaum who are from different states of India who are staying in Belgaum. So the most convenient or a good language for me to speak is the one which reaches majority of the crowd. Because the last time I released a video, people told me that if you cannot speak your state language, you have no right to live here. I can speak 5 different languages. After me speaking in Hindi and English about the demonstration, if you do not understand because of the problem of English, you all can directly contact me on my email ID and I will release the video in Kannada and Marathi also. Now, yesterday's post, everybody said corporation doesn't send their vehicles. People are spitting on the roads. People are doing this, corporation is doing this. So this is like a catch-22 cycle. We blame the corporation blames us. We blame the people blame other people. The garbage problem hasn't been solved. Now my question is, if the corporation is not doing their work well, who has given us the right to not do our work also very well? So that is my question. Because yesterday after the promotion post, they said corporations ka kaam hai, we pay a lot of taxes, we pay a lot of money to the karmachari, safai karmachari, whom I call, people randomly call them kachra wala. but I call them safai karmachari because they are the ones who are taking the dirt of our house. Excuse me. So if you actually go and survey to see how much money they get, they do not get a lot of it. And even if I am given a lakh rupees, I will not work at the Turmuri depot. So yesterday somebody made a mention of the Turmuri depot also, where the trash is deposited every day. I have been there 3 times. And only after I went to Turmuri, I realized that the garbage problem is very, very big. It cannot be seen by the naked eye. It is really, really, really big. So if you do not want another pandemic to rise out of the issues of bad management of garbage, bad management of waste, I think every citizen, if you take small responsibility, and the easiest thing that I'm going to teach you today, if you do it every day in your house, I think Belgaum will certainly genuinely become a smart city. Garbage bins had been placed in Belgaum long time ago. People robbed them, people took them home and sold them in scrap. So every possible thing which the corporation has to do have been doing, but then our responsibility. Now you may say, I have a big house, I have a garden. No, this method which I'm going to teach you, you can do it in a very small room. I promise you, this method of composting will not cause stink, will not cause any smell, nothing, provided you do it correctly. Many of my friends, mothers who are not on Facebook, asked me to kiti vasta online येणार आहे, so that we also see it through our sons or daughters' mobile. So this is for all the housewives who have been taking care of the waste, because they do not want the children and the husband of the house or the man of the house to worry about how their waste is going to be managed. So this is for all of them. This is for all the kids who have been taking classes outside for environmental studies and for a lot of things you're taking classes. But I think if you do not know basic skills or advanced skills, then it will be very difficult to survive. I have been composting for the past 8 years, and even if you patent this method of composting, I will not be surprised, because I have failed 100 times doing this, and now I prepare compost like a queen. So let's begin simple DIY composting at home with all the materials that you have in your house. First thing you need is a container or a bucket. Not a simple bucket, a very simple bucket. If it's a broken bucket at home, dabba, anything which can contain your waste. The only thing is that you need to have holes drilled all over the bucket and in the bottom also, which can be tightly closed. Simple. Now, the reason you should have holes here is that during the composting process, a little black liquid will be leached out of this. In every compost methods, this definitely happens. This black liquid which leaches out can be collected in a tub like this. So you can place it in a tub like this. The black liquid is fertilizer for your plants. You need not buy anything else if you have that leachate. This is the first thing. Now, why do you have to have holes around this is because the way we need air, even this composting process, the microorganisms present in it, to make compost, खत होण्यासाठी त्यांना वाऱ्याची खूप गरज असते. They need air. बहुत जरूरत है for this type of composting, for the presence of air. Only one thing, it should not be kept under sunlight. It has to be kept in an area which is dark, because microorganisms like. Now you can see, if you can show the viewers, there are 2 types of waste here which I have carefully gathered. Yes, so there is classification in the wet waste also. This is called as a green waste. Green waste मध्ये nitrogen असतं और brown waste में होगा carbon. So green waste has nitrogen, brown waste has carbon. Very simple. Nitrogen जिसमें होता है या फिर green waste, it has a lot of moisture. जैसे कि this is a peel of a lemon or a santra. This is coffee, tea powder used, and this is cucumber के छिलके. As you can see, when you even hold it in your hands, there is lot of water generated. So this happens only with the green waste. So green waste consists of typically everything. केले का छिलका, everything जो भी आप घर में उस दिन खाने पे बनाते हैं, जो मैंने आज कैबेज की सब्जी बनाई थी. So this is the peels of it. Butta, pomegranate, everything that you generate in your kitchen while preparing food, जो waste peels रहते हैं, that is called as the green waste, nitrogen or waste which is very very watery. Let us come to the brown waste. Now when I take the brown waste in my hand, मेरे हाथ सूखे ही रह जाते हैं. There is absolutely no water in it. So if you really use your brains, there is no need to use your brains. जो पानी यहाँ से निकलता है will be absorbed by the brown. So green waste will release water, brown waste will absorb it. So whenever any people who have been composting after looking at the videos that I have made have been asking me, मेरे compost bin में पानी क्यों है? You have got the answer to this. So I told you what all has to be used in the green waste. Now in the brown waste, you can use, the best thing that you can use in the brown waste is dry leaves. Any dry leaves. It could be mango, it could be any tree, you name it, the brown leaves, the dry leaves. There's a timber merchant right across in Udyam Bagh. I went to him, I asked him if he has any waste while cutting the timber. So he gave me these wood shavings. This is also an excellent source of carbon. ठीक है, आप बोलोगे हमारे पास गार्डन नहीं है, we don't have this, we don't know the timber merchant. Fine, no problem. आप कोकोनट तो यूज करते हैं, you use cocopeat. This is the coir, coconut coir. ठीक है, you don't even have coconut. Fine, you get pizza every week. उसका बॉक्स आता है, you can shred that. All right, you don't even have this, then you will definitely have some paper in your house जो आप as a source of carbon use कर सकते हैं. So no excuses here. So this I showed to keep. ये parcel में इसमें समोसे आए थे, so I have kept this. This doesn't go in the main garbage. This will go in the compost pit because this is brown matter. So आप इसमें से कुछ भी डाल सकते हो. Not that you should have all the things necessary. अब ये दोनों हो गए. What is the next thing that we need? Nothing has been purchased from outside. सब जो आपके घर में है आप वही यूज कर सकते हैं. This is buttermilk या छाछ, ताक, दही, which is very 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 sour. तो आप बोलोगे कि रेनी सीजन में आंबट ताक कुठून मिळणार? Just keep it outside for 2-3 days and outside the fridge, automatically it becomes आंबट. This is a very good source of microorganisms. Now if you have realized, जब आप दूध को दही में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, so you put a pinch of or a small spoon of curd, dahi, and then mix it well. और उसके बाद next day when you keep it in a cool and a dry place, तभी next day वो दूध का दही बन जाता है. Similarly, this has a lot of microorganisms जो इस पर act करेंगे. आपके पास अगर ये नहीं है, you can use soil. ये मैंने बरगद के पेड़ के नीचे से मंगाया है और खुद जाके लेके आई हूँ. You can use soil from underneath any tree, लेकिन जिसमें बिल्कुल केमिकल्स ना हो. Make sure अगर आप इसमें केमिकल्स डालेंगे, you are introducing chemicals in it, you are killing all the microorganisms. अगर आपके पास ये भी नहीं है तो आप किसी के घर जाके उनके घर का पुराना कंपोस्ट मांग सकते हो. आप मेरे घर भी आ सकते हो. So this is the compost जो मैंने लास्ट मंथ बनाया था. It smells very nice. This is also a very good source of microorganisms. लेकिन बहुत लोगों के घर में already you have this. I'm sure many people have this. तो let us start. एक चीज that you have to remember is the size of this green waste. जैसे ये भुट्टे का छिलका अगर मैं ऐसे ही डाल दूंगी, for 6 months this will not decompose. You have to make it as small as possible. ये देखिए जैसे मैंने इसको बनाया है. Some people put it in the mixer and make it watery. बहुत watery करेंगे तो it will start having flies in it, it will start having worms in it. So वो नहीं करना है. इतने छोटे pieces are enough. Okay. So let us start with today's composting. अगर आप मेरे साथ बना सकते हैं तो you can do it, or else at least try to compost 10% of your wet waste, because जो तुरमुरी के डेपो में 100% waste goes for processing, 75% of it is biodegradable. सिर्फ 25% is plastics and everything else. So अगर हम ये 75% अपने घर में खुद compost कर सकते हैं तो पीपल हु आर वर्किंग एज रैट पिकर्स और या स्वच्छ कर्मचारी, उनकी लाइफ बहुत ईजी हो जाएगी. आई टेल यू हाउ. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ ड्राई लीव्स. नाउ आई सजेस्ट ड्राई लीव्स ओवर कार्डबोर्ड इज बिकॉज कार्डबोर्ड रिसाइकलिंग के लिए जा सकता है. पेपर कैन गो इनटू रद्दी एंड दिस कैन बी यूज फॉर वॉशिंग वेसल्स. इसीलिए एंड प्लस दिस हैज अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. ड्राई लीव्स हैव अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, इसलिए उसको जलाते नहीं है. श्रेड इट एज मच एज पॉसिबल, जितना हो सके. अभी बारिश का सीजन, सो दे आर अ लिटिल वेट, बट एज मच एज पॉसिबल आप फर्स्ट लेयर डाल दीजिए. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ लेयरिंग टेक्निक. Whenever you are starting aerobic composting, the first thing that you put is the brown waste. कभी भी green waste पहले नहीं जाना चाहिए. It's like a sponge. It will pull away all the water. Now I will add the green waste. In the green waste, ये मेरे घर का कचरा है, so I don't need to add wear gloves because ये खाना मैंने खुद खाया है. So you need not feel dirty about your own waste. जब हम लोग कॉर्पोरेशन को अपना बहुत लोग वेट वेस्ट देने जाते हैं, मैंने पिछले 8 साल से वेट वेस्ट नहीं दिया है, तो दे मेक देयर फेसेस लाइक दिस. खुद के घर का गार्बेज बैग उठाते वक्त दे होल्ड इट लाइक दिस एंड एक्सपेक्ट दैट द पीपल हु आर कलेक्टिंग दिस शुड कैरी इट विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम. तो आप खुद सोचिए कि एज अ सोसाइटी हम लोग कहाँ गलत जा रहे हैं. सो ग्रीन वेस्ट में एवरीथिंग राइट फ्रॉम बनाना पील्स, पोमोग्रेनेट, दिस इज क्यूकम्बर, छोटे छोटे पीसेस करके आप डाल सकते हैं. दिस इज अगेन पील्स, कड़ी पत्ता. अगर आप चाय पीते हो सुबह तो दिस इज द बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन फॉर द प्लांट्स. अनियंस, छिलके ऑफ कोर्स, एंड यस दिस हो गया. सब ऐड कर दिया. अगर आप ऐसे ही इसको छोड़ेंगे तो दिल बी लॉट ऑफ फ्रूट फ्लाइज. आई एम ओके विद द फ्रूट फ्लाइज बिकॉज आई हैव बीन कंपोस्टिंग फॉर 8 years, तो आदत हो गई है. बट फॉर पीपल हु स्टार्ट नाउ कैन गिव एक्सक्यूजेस कि यहाँ पर मक्खियां बहुत है और देयर इज लॉट ऑफ. सो टू कवर इट, आप इधर इसको फिर से ब्राउन वेस्ट से कवर कर सकते हैं और यू कैन पुट 1 layer of top soil. इससे मक्खियां काफी कम हो जाती है. I don't say 100%, but yes. And then this is the main thing, starter. जैसे if you have a very good company bike, बहुत अच्छी वाली बाइक को भी किक स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है. You have to start the engine. Same thing with this. इसमें बहुत माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है, लेकिन ये पूरा बोतल मत डाल दीजिए. लास्ट टाइम फॉर अ वेबिनार आई थिंक समबडी डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, पुट द एंटायर बॉटल, वो नीचे से पूरा बाहर आ गया. यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक सम, स्प्रिंकल इट, दैट्स इट. इज इट सो डिफिकल्ट? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट डिफिकल्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ लेयरिंग टेक्निक. हो गया आज का काम, बंद कर दीजिए. Keep it in any place, किचन सिंक के नीचे, जहां पर it doesn't get mixed with water. बारिश नहीं लगना चाहिए, धूप नहीं लगना चाहिए, बस. otherwise it demands nothing else. हो गया काम. अब wake up the next day, दूसरे दिन उठ जाइए. You will not have any smell, you will not have any stink अगर आपने ठीक से करा है तो. next day आप कोई भी स्टिक, रॉड, कुछ भी लेके you just have to put it up and down. मैं तो हाथ से भी कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज अगेन इट इज माई ओन वेस्ट. रिमेंबर व्यूअर्स, यहाँ पर वी आर नॉट रॉटिंग द फूड. वी आर नॉट रॉटिंग द फूड. जेवण कुजवायचं नाही आहे आपल्याला, आपल्याला त्याचं खत बनवायचं आहे. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ डिफरन्स बिटवीन रॉटिंग अँड कंपोस्टिंग. In rotting you will have worms, you will have smell. This is not rotting, this is called as composting. So good morning, you have woken up the next day. Same procedure again after you finish stirring. Today's waste, layer karo. Put the brown waste, जो भी आपके पास available है, cardboard or this, whatever is available. Now do you have have to put this starter again? No, you don't have to put this because एक बार आपने इंजन शुरू कर दी है, now it is running, now you don't have to put it. अगर आपको after 10 days 15 days लगा कि there is no movement, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, microorganisms कम पड़ रहे हैं, only then you can add this. Some people have cows in their house, buffaloes in their house, तो वो they can also use cow dung slurry as a starter. That is it. Layer हो गया, उसके ऊपर you put brown, cover it. Third day you wake up, you find out that, oh my god, lot of fruit flies. We are not going to follow it. No, I have a solution to that also. नीलगिरी तेल खूब लोग को यूज करता है कोरोना के लिए. They feel that it will fight flu. It will fight this types of flies also. सिर्फ 2 या 3 drops you have to put on the lid. That's it. Okay, you don't have Nilgiri oil. Cool, no problem. A cotton netted material like this, dip it in water, थोड़ा सा damp करके इसके ऊपर spread करके बंद करना है. After 4 or 5 days you realize कि यहाँ से black color का liquid आएगा. अगर बहुत liquid आ रहा है means sponge is less. This rice husk is also a good source of carbon. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ लिक्विड नहीं आ रहा है, बहुत सूखा है, नथिंग इज हैपनिंग, यू आर एडिंग, गलत आप ये कर रहे हो कि मे बी यू आर एडिंग मोर ऑफ दिस, यू आर एडिंग लेस ऑफ द ग्रीन. सो एड egg shells also can be added, but in the beginning do not add non-vegetarian food into this because it attracts rodents. Non-vegetarian food के लिए अलग composting method है, but first you do this. Over you place it inside this. And all the liquid that you collect here, you just have to dilute it 1:10 with water and give it to your plants. That's okay. अब आप सोचोगे ये कितने दिन तक करना है मैडम, कितने दिन तक करना है? सो जब ये फुल हो जाएगा, ओके, कंपोस्टिंग प्रोसेस इतना जल्दी, सो फास्ट एंड सो मिरेकुलसली हैपेंस इनसाइड दैट यू विल realize when the volume of the waste is reducing and niche this type of compost will get formed. First stage is the leaves which you have added turn into this color. It smells very good. Okay, उसके बाद उनका breakdown होना शुरू हो जाता है like this, and then you have this beautiful compost. This is beautiful compost. Just देखिए, just look at this. It has no chemical solutions. कुछ भी नहीं किया है जो मैंने अब connected. Yeah. Yeah. So technology भी धोखा दे सकती है, but this will never give you धोखा because मैंने ये try करा है. So once this is full, हो गया काम, keep it aside, get a similar bucket like this. Okay, same जो procedure मैंने समझाया है, इसको let it rest in peace. जब तक दूसरा fill होता है पूरी तरह से, which will take around 30-35 days, तब तक इसमें abracadabra जादू हो जाता है, actually जादू, because once your second tub is full and when you open this tub, absolutely this will be formed. All the things that you have to realize it, at least दिन में 2 दिन में एक बार, because you're a beginner, 2 दिन में एक बार इसको निकाल कर you have to stir it well. If you cannot stir it, आपको लगता है ये बहुत गंदगी है, तो आप बस ऐसे कर सकते हो. This is to facilitate air to go in and out of it. That is it about composting. इसमें कुछ difficulty नहीं है. It is not dirty. It is your own waste. Only thing you don't do is don't keep the food out for 2 to 3 days and then think of composting. Because once you keep the food out for 2 to 3 days, when it starts rotting, there are many dirty microorganisms, bad microorganisms which will spoil the compost. Then don't say that it starts smelling. Whichever technique you don't follow properly, it is bound to get spoiled. So be careful when you're doing it. It is very easy. My 10-year-old son does this. So many people who have seen the videos on my page and have been following, I was supposed to take their names, but because out of fear, I have forgotten everything. This is much easier. This is not rocket science. And I think agar corporation is not doing their work properly, is most people are complaining. Instead of sitting and complaining, दिन में सिर्फ 10 मिनट में ये हो सकता है. Don't you have 10 minutes to give for your city? And इसके बाद भी अगर we don't become a smart city, then we should leave it to God. I feel we should try everything. Imagine if every citizen in Belgaum does at least 10% of composting of their wet waste. Imagine the load at Turmuri will be reduced so much. So this is an awareness initiative by All About Belgaum. I'm very thankful to Uday sir for complying or by immediately saying yes to this kind of program, because a lot of skill development programs, health, fitness are going on, but this thing nobody's talking about, and I was not sure how to approach. But अभी garbage के इतने सारे posts देखने के बाद I think ये अगर हम लोग try करेंगे तो definitely will be a smart city. People will not compare us to Indore or Mysore, but we will be head in the list. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment box. I will reply to your comments, or I will also share my NGO's email ID. By the way, I'm Dr. Aarti Bhandare. I run an organization, non-profit organization called Amulya Boon. If you have any questions, you can mail me on that or on the page, and I will try my best to give your answers to all your questions related to composting. Thank you.